Where's Victor going? Go follow Victor. Go follow Victor.
Where's the Easter bunny? Where's the Easter bunny?
Let's move this over to here.
Hi. The Easter bunny got. Is this one? This is what I wanted.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
The Easter Bunny.
Me. It's Easter bunny on the stairs.
Those are your bunny ears.
Where's the bunny ears for?
Wonder if we're looking cool.
Smile.
It's an Easter bunny.
Say cheese and maybe that.
This is squirrel. Squirrel.
What's a plane?
Plane. What is a helicopter like?
Oh, I guess there's a little candy in it.
It's a little white.
How would I?
Small bites.
Where's these?
Can you say happy Easter?
This already fell off. Should we take this out?
Keep looking, Vivian. No, don't eat it.
No, Vivian.
Put them in your basket.
It's mine.
Good job.
Hey, Vivian. Vivian, look over there. Hold on. By the eye. Wow, Vivian, you have a lot of eggs here. Look around. So, do you see any more over there? Then get it.
What's that?
Keep looking.
Let's take these. We're gonna eat these.
I found a dog one.
Nope.
See?
Oh, wow. You found your egg.
That one. Wow.
I know, honey. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay.
What's another one for me?
You have so many, Victor. Maybe you can look up, up. Are we all done? Okay, let's go back over into the yard just in case. Hey, look on the ground behind you.
It's 9 cents a little.
That sneaky Easter bunny.
It's Easter bunny. Where's that money back? No one?
Does it say no one?
What's that hanging on the tree?
Vivian,
One.
There's the pink one?
the Easter bunny.
It's supposed to be Dad's. Okay, I think.